spring balance, we will take this one. This is now, I think, weighing scale. A good example nowadays, we can, in ohm also we can weigh, no? Like 10 kgs, 5 kgs to measure that particular weight, or when we'll be having a spring. No idea, just at least watch something. So we'll be having a pointer, we'll be having a scale. This will be a pointer, and here a spring will be attached to it. From the behind, a spring will be attached. Depending on the weight what you suspend, the pointer will be pointing at that one particular position. Sorry, the spring will be to this position. Just I'm giving rough diagram, very rough diagram. Yeah, a little bit. And this will be the pointer. Red color, where it is. Yeah. Based on that, the pointer will be moving. Okay, we'll bring pointer here. That'll be better. This is called a basic spring balance. Purchase 150 rupees. It is available. So they'll get a better picture. Or you can construct your own also. So what is the spring balance? It is used to measure the weight of a body, of any bodies. Like, depending upon the spring balance, measuring capacity you can purchase 100, 0 to 100, 0 to 10, 0 to 5. It all depends on the, for household usually we'll go for 0 to maximum 5 kgs. Like this you can hold it and you can measure. Just like you can, instead of block, what they give, they'll give an like some sort of a hanger here. So anything you suspend to that, you can measure the weight of it, and here the scale will read. That's what the spring balance, what I'm discussing. Many spring balance are there. There's a very general basic one I'm discussing here now. Okay, now what is the spring balance? So here I will just show it like this. There's understood it's a spring balance. Agreed? The spring balance will show by yellow color. And then what is the reading of that? How it will be? So you can proceed like this. The string will be taut. Why it will be taut? Weight mg will act. And here the tension T. The reading of spring balance is nothing but you just show this tension. There is a reading of the spring balance here. So what is the reading of spring balance? Now what is the state of this block? It is at rest. It is at rest. So what we can write? T minus mg equal to 0. Then what is the reading of spring balance? Equal to reading of spring balance is equal to T, which is equal to mg. How much of here force acting? That is only what spring balance. Sir, what actually spring balance? Spring only, like spring force will act here. It will read certain value. Let me give one more example. Here I am suspending a block. So I want the reading of this spring balance. These are pulleys. These are called as the pulleys, light pulleys. Pulleys are light.
Sir, once can you scroll a little bit up, sir? Yes, sir.
I think we can see all everything. Okay, now let's get into the discussion here. So here the tension, the string, all strings are ideal. All the strings are massless. All the strings are ideal. Ideal means they are massless and inextensible. There's a one very generalized. If I mention, you take it. Otherwise, by default, we assumed it. They are massless and inextensible. Then what are the forces that will be acting? Here mg, tension T. Then this pulley is light. The net force on it should be 0. So here how much of tension? T by 2. T by 2. Here tension T by 2. Tension should always act away from the body. So how much here? T by 4. T by 4. How much of tension? It has to be here? T by 4. Now this is what? The spring balance. Then what is looking at the lower block? What is the state of it? It is at rest. Then what is the equation you write? T minus mg equal to 0. Then how much of spring balance? Reading of spring balance is nothing to do. Okay, make observation. We'll take the next conditions. Okay, now we'll
1 minute, sir. Okay, sir.